Another difference between think short and think long marketing is that we have a new perspective of market potential. You know the term market potential in conventional marketing. When you're going to launch a new product into the market, you do research in order to estimate the potential. Well, let me ask you, what was the potential of jacuzzi before jacuzzi was launched into the market? I will tell you, 0. What was the potential of the hammer before it was launched into the civilian market? 0. So our perspective is not, we are not looking at market potential as something that exists there and we just need, and it's static. We need to realize it. We look at it dynamically and we ask, we have this idea. How many people can we turn on this idea? Because take the homeless doll. Nobody needs a homeless doll. It's an idea. And you can either turn on people on this idea or you cannot turn on people on this idea. Another difference is that in conventional marketing, we think about market share as something that you achieve and then it's yours, right? We say that this company achieved a 20% market share as if it's something stable. Well, look at Nielsen data. Market shares are no longer stable. They change all the time. So, in Think Short, we don't speak in terms of market share. We speak in terms of average market share. What is your average market share during a specific year, for example? Now, when we apply this to hits, you can see here that this, for example, is the market share over time of a long-term brand. Okay? Now, these things are the market shares of short-term brands over time. Then you have the average market share of these hits. And if you manage it correctly, then your average market shares with a series of hits can be higher than the market share of a long-term brand. A major term in Think Short is the term of short-term brand. Now, I know that for many people, short-term brand sounds like a contradiction in terms because you're accustomed to long-term brands only. Why would anybody want a short-term brand? Well, the reason to plan short-term brands is that consumers turn your brands into short-term brands anyway. So you better plan it this way. Because this is marketing today, succeeding and then succeeding again. So a short-term brand is a planned short-term success.